How you doing there, guys? Well, this continuation of fuel tank repair. We'll put the transmission back in. Right now, we'll put this trainer back in there. Thing is heavy. Get that handle up through there. There we go. Put the handle in there. Yeah, that's gonna come up that way. Oh, a couple more inches. Almost there. This ain't too bad. Get that belt. Get that belt back down there. There. Now it looks like gotta put this. No. I think it's gotta go up some more. See if I can get one of these bolts in there. Nope. Gotta come over this way. Ouch. Almost just a smidgen. See if I can get that started. A little smidgen more. I might be able to. There we go. Got a wrench. 7, 9. I got one bolt started. Oh. this other bolt in there. Looks like it. Why is that off? Oh, I'll take that off to get that. Get that out. Alright, check the fluid in it. Had plenty of fluid. It's actually a little over full. I got two bottom bolts in. See if I can get this one in. Let's see if we can get this top bolt in here. Oh. Get a socket. Another bolt. Where's that? Right there. Up here. Right there. This one ain't no fun. It's got crap all in the way. What was that? See if we can get that socket in here. Yeah, this bolt ain't no fun. Problem is, you can't get two hands in there. Let's see if I can get up from the top. Got a swivel on there. My impact. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That got her in there. Let's tighten this one up. And that will go down. Get rid of the swivel. These bottom ones. Alright, now we'll put the swivel back on and get the top ones, and I should be able to take the jack off of there. Get these top ones. Put this one over here. There we go. Took them out. Y'all up in there now. Almost back in action. Why is that so loose? Oh, there's a spring. springs on the other side. Springs on the other side. I should be able to take this thing now. There, train is back on. Now I gotta put this back together. Well, that's probably easier said than done. That's gotta go on there. That goes on there. I think it's 9/16. With that, we'll get that impact. It's 9/16. This goes on there. I can go a little more. Yeah, I need to tear that dude apart. I forget where this goes. Oh boy, where did that go? That's supposed to pull that back. Oh, it goes right there. There we go. That could probably be tightened up a little more. I don't know where you get new disc for these. New band for that. So somebody makes them. If anybody knows where I can get a new band for that, comment me below. Sure would like to get a new one for that. Brake band. Because I'm about out of adjustment on that. That's it. That's all I got. Man, I probably could stack washers on there to get it a little tighter. We'll see how it acts after I get running. If I have to, I'll stack some washers right there. Alright, that part's done. Now we gotta hook this back up. I don't know why I had that on there. Hook that back up. Now this hooks back up in there. Pull this pin out. This goes up in there. It looks a little bit. Look at that. That's what's back up. I gotta hook that back. Hook that up. I know it's sewing it back up. Yeah, this dude's gotta get hooked back up in there. There that is. Pin. Of course, I didn't line it up to where the pin lines up. pull it back out. Oops, not too bad. About that. See, I think it's originally had, what do you call it? Snap rings on it, but somebody put a pin on it, which is alright with me. I could imagine trying to get a snap ring back in there. That ain't gonna work. Come on. Work with me here. Get that hole. There we go. There, hydraulics back on. Now we put the wheels back on and put the plow back on. So we got the transmission back in. Now we can put the wheels back on it. Do a little help. There goes there. So, alright, now I need a punch. Bolts back in there. Keep looking for a chicken. One of our chickens got out of her coop 2 days ago. She got in the woods and now she don't want to come back home. Got a hawk that keeps flying over. Also got a cat that keeps checking her out. Hey, give me a set of good impact sockets. I'll end up breaking one of these. Okay, that's done. I'll just lower that dude down. Cat stands out. Just put the snowplow back on.